The next topic in PPS is recursion in C. What is the meaning of that? Recursion means when a function calling itself again and again until some specified condition has been satisfied. For example, when same function is used within the function definition, then that is the recursion. Syntax for that is return type, then function name, and we write the list of parameters. It is same as that we already study in the topic of functions. Then the curly brace start, they are the local variable, declaration for the local variable, then the function name, and bracket में हम क्या लिखेंगे, list of parameter. After that they are the executable statement. For example, we have a problem with to multiply three numbers. Here the syntax is, there is a return type int, function name is multiply, list of parameters are 3 because we have to multiply three numbers, int a comma int b comma int c. Curly brace start, the local variable int res result, in which the result is to be stored when multiplying three values. After that the function name is multiply bracket start the list of parameter int x comma int y. Now after that the printf result is to be printed. So here this statement shows the recursion. Why this shows the recursion? Because in this program अगर हम थ्री वैल्यूज़ को यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करवाना है, देन हमने अगेन कोई वैल्यू जो है थ्री से कम है या थ्री से ज़्यादा वैल्यूज़ है, दो वैल्यूज़ को मल्टीप्लाई करवाना है, थ्री वैल्यूज़ को मल्टीप्लाई करवाना, तो बार बार उस फंक्शन को लिखने से अच्छा, बार बार उस पूरे कोड को लिखने से अच्छा हम क्या करते हैं कि सेम फंक्शन को दोबारा कॉल करते हैं बाय चेंजिंग इस पैरामीटर लिस्ट. Here we have the parameter list of 1, 2, 3. But here the parameters are 1 and 2. There are only two parameters here. So same function जो है वो दोबारा कॉल होता है within the function. Within the function definition, same function is called again. This is known as the recursion. There are two examples: factorial by using the recursion and Fibonacci series using the recursion. What is the factorial? To find the factorial of, if we want to find the factorial of 3, what is the factorial of 3? 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. So in order to execute this statement we use the recursion method. Second is the Fibonacci using recursion. The Fibonacci series is when we have starting value is 0 and next value is 1. There are only two values, 0 and 1. Then by applying the Fibonacci series, we calculate the numbers. By adding the previous two numbers, we calculate the next number. 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Next, previous two values, 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Again the previous two values, 1 plus 2 is 3. Previous value, 3 plus 2, 5, up to so on. So this series is known as the Fibonacci series, and this is also be implemented by the recursion. In order to understand the concept of recursion, we have example of finding the factorial of a number. The first program shows the finding the factorial without the recursion method, and second program shows with recursion method. So in the first program, there is the header file is included, void main function, then int n and I, these are the local variables, int fact in which the result of fact is to be stored and it is initialized to 1. Printf display, enter the number. Printf is used to display any number. Scanf to take the input from the user, enter the number n. For example, n is entered and the value of n is 3, and this is the memory location. If n is less than 0, if 3 is less than 0, then printf, check the condition, 3 is less than 0, no, then else condition. else condition में क्या है, for loop लगी है, तो वहाँ पर क्या है, I is equals to 1, I is less than equals to n. When I is equals to 1, check the condition, 1 is less than equals to n, n is 3, 1 is less than equals to 3, true. Then लूप के अंदर जाना है, फैक्ट इज इक्वल्स टू फैक्ट इंटू आई. फैक्ट की वैल्यू क्या है, इनिशियलाइज की है 1, 1 इंटू आई की वैल्यू क्या है नाउ 1. सो फैक्ट बिकम्स, फैक्ट की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 1, 1 इंटू 1 1. देन अगेन द लूप आई प्लस प्लस, द वैल्यू ऑफ आई इज इंक्रीमेंटेड becomes 2. पहले क्या थी 1, then incremented 2. Then when I is equals to 2, check the condition again. 2 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. Then again loop के अंदर जाना है. Then fact equals to, fact की वैल्यू अब क्या है 1. Then again the fact is equals to 1 into I की वैल्यू क्या है अब 2. Result becomes 2. Then the value of fact is updated to 2. Then I is incremented again. The value becomes 3. 3 is less than equals to 3. Then equal to condition है, then condition is true. Again the fact is equals to, fact की वैल्यू क्या है 2, 2 into I की वैल्यू क्या है 3, becomes 6. Again the I is incremented, value becomes 4, 4 is less than equal to 3, condition wrong. Then print the fact, print the value of fact is 6. So factorial of 3 is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. This is the program without using recursion. Now the program with recursion method. तो रिकर्जन मेथड में क्या होगा कि इंस्टेड के हम बार बार लूप को ही कंटिन्यू करते जाएं. इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस वी यूज द रिकर्जन मेथड. सो इन दिस मेथड वी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डिक्लेयर the function declaration part after the header files but before the main function. This is the return type int factorial. This is the function name int n. This is the parameter. Parameter we have to calculate the factorial of a number. So there is only one parameter is to be used. Then the main function, the local variable x used for the number and result to store that value. Printf enter the number. So the number is x is 3. Result variable is to be used to store the result. Factorial bracket में x and semicolon. This is the function name and the parameter. This is the function calling part. The function call हुआ, then return type int factorial int n list of parameter. This is a function definition part. So इसके अंदर क्या हो जाए इंट एन, द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज कॉपी टू एन, एन बिकम्स 3. इंट फैक्ट इन विच द रिजल्ट इज टू बी स्टोर्ड इफ एन इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 1. इफ 3 इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 1 देन रिटर्न 1. 3 इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 1, कंडीशन इज रॉन्ग. देन एल्स पार्ट में देन फैक्ट इज इक्वल्स टू एन, द वैल्यू ऑफ एन इज 3 इंटू फैक्टोरियल n minus 1. n minus 1 क्या है 3 minus 1. Here the recursion is to be applied. The same function is calling again itself within the function. So n minus 1 3 into factorial 2. Again the function is called again int factorial. n की वैल्यू अब क्या है for this function 2. इसके लिए चेक करना है. Then 2 is less than equal to 1, कंडीशन इज रॉन्ग. एल्स पार्ट में जाना है. फैक्ट की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी अब, प्रीवियस स्टेप में क्या था 3 इंटू फैक्टोरियल 2. तो फैक्टोरियल 2 के लिए क्या है एन की वैल्यू 2 फॉर दिस इंटू फैक्टोरियल एन की वैल्यू क्या है 2 minus 1. देयरफॉर 3 इंटू 2 इंटू फैक्टोरियल 1. Again the function calling itself again. Now n की वैल्यू क्या है 1. 1 is less than equal to 1, condition is true. Then return 1. वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 1. Then after that ये पूरी स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होगी. फैक्ट की वैल्यू क्या आ गई अब 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. Return 6. 6 value is control passed to the next statement after this function call. Then printf is factorial of the function, the value is printed. So the output is 6. So the output is same, but this method is by using the recursion in which same function is calling itself again.